Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale when underleveled. First, prioritize a defensive playstyle, aiming to counter your opponent's pushes efficiently. Mastering positive elixir trades is crucial. Always seek to defend with less elixir than your opponent spent. Understanding card interactions and optimal placement will give you a significant edge, even against higher-level cards. This foundational approach sets you up for success. Next, let's talk about deck building. Select a win condition that doesn't rely heavily on card levels, such as the Miner or Hog Rider. Incorporate several strong defensive cards and versatile spells like Fireball or Zap to handle various threats. Keeping your average elixir cost around 3.5 or lower allows for faster cycles and more defensive options. A balanced deck is your best friend when facing stronger opponents. Now for in-game tactics. Defend proactively, aiming to create an elixir advantage before launching your counter push. Utilize building cards like the Tesla or Inferno Tower to pull enemy troops and maximize your tower's damage. Pay close attention to your opponent's card cycle. Knowing what cards they have in hand allows you to anticipate and counter their next move effectively. Patience is key in every engagement. Finally, let's discuss progression and mindset. Join an active clan to benefit from card requests and trades, which helps level up your key cards faster. Consistent practice is essential. Play many matches to refine your skills and adapt to different matchups. Most importantly, maintain a positive mindset. Every loss is a learning opportunity, helping you understand your deck and opponents better for future victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.